everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm doing a super quick Asda haul. I've not got much here, just a couple of items of food, a couple of cleaning products, few drinks and some socks. So I'll show you what I've got. I've got some Duck Deep Action Gel in Pine. I struggled to get this. All the pine ones are out of stock except for the right at the back there was two. I was going to pick them both up but I couldn't get to the other one. It's all because of Mrs. Hinch. I've noticed that all the products that she recommends, there's either none on the shelves or there's hardly any. And my toilet duck was super low, so I'm going to try and get some more this week if I can. I got an orange Lucozade. I've not been very well for quite a few days and Lucozade helps. I wish I'd picked up more than one, but I didn't. I got another one of these Pizza Express chicken pepper pepper and Cajun spice pizza. These are on offer for £2.25. I got some Warburton's seeded batch bread. I used to get this all the time but I've not had any for ages. I got a small Dr Pepper, a 1.25 litre bottle of Diet Coke, a Mrs. Hinch recommend product. I've never actually seen this in the shop. I think they've actually just got it in, but they're £1. I need to get the, is it white vinegar to go with it, but they didn't have it on this shelf, so I'm going to try Poundland at the end of the week. Then I got a 5-pack of ankle socks. They've all got different coloured stars on them, and the heel and toe are the matching colour to the stars, so there'll be a pink one, turquoise, lilac-y purple, silver and a pinky red. And then I got a 5-pack of the trainer liner socks, and they were only £2, and that's everything I picked up from Asda today. If you have any questions about any of these items, please leave them in the comment section below and I will answer. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and click the bell notification button, then you'll get an alert when I upload a similar video. I'll be back in a day or two. Thank you for watching, everyone.